Here is how to link Google Calendar to Notion, step by step. Start by logging in to your Notion account and opening Notion Calendar. This is the space where the connection will be created, so make sure you are in Notion Calendar itself before moving on. Once it is open, look to the left sidebar for the option that says Connect Your Calendar. Click Connect Your Calendar to begin linking an external calendar. Notion Calendar will then prompt you to choose an account provider. Select Google, since that is the calendar service you want to connect. You will be taken to the Google sign-in screen so you can choose the account that contains the Google Calendar you want to use inside Notion Calendar. When the Google account list appears, select the correct account before continuing. If you use more than one Google account, this is the point where it matters most because Notion Calendar will only connect to the account you choose here. After selecting the account, Google will show a permission screen for Notion Calendar. Take a moment to review the requested permissions. This screen explains what Notion Calendar needs access to in order to display your Google Calendar and its events. When you are ready to proceed, click Continue to allow Notion Calendar to access your Google account. This approval is what completes the authorization part of the connection. After that, wait while Notion Calendar finishes connecting to your Google Calendar. This may take a few moments depending on the account and connection. Once the process finishes, return to the Notion Calendar window and check the left sidebar. You should now see your Google Calendar listed there. Verify that it appears in the sidebar and that your events are visible in the main calendar view. If the calendar is present and the event details are loading correctly, the connection is active. At this stage, you can adjust your calendar settings if you want to change how the linked calendar appears. Choose which calendars to display if your Google account includes more than one. You can also configure your preferred sync and display settings so the calendar view matches the way you want to work inside Notion Calendar. These settings are optional, but they can help you control what you see and how the connected calendars are presented. Once those settings are in place, you can start using Google Calendar in Notion. Your linked calendar and its events will now be available within Notion Calendar, which means you can view your schedule from the connected Google account directly inside your Notion Workspace environment. If needed, you can return to the sidebar and settings later to update which calendars are shown. Your Google Calendar is now linked to Notion and visible in Notion Calendar.